Meaning of hallway.
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 Hallway. A hallway is a narrow passage within a building, typically connecting different rooms or areas. It is primarily used for transit, and is not usually considered a living space. A hallway can be found in many different types of buildings, such as homes, offices, schools, and hotels. Hallways are often seen as transitional spaces, providing a means of moving from one area to another. They may also serve as areas for displaying artwork or other decorative elements, and can provide access to storage areas or utility rooms. Overall, a hallway is an important part of many buildings' functional and aesthetic design.